Hello guys. Magkuha na po to sa atong daily routine. Kararating ko lang from work. So, nilabas ko lang muna si Taco Barako. So, time check now, it's around 5:17 p.m. Pero yan guys, oh. Ito na yung 5 p.m. sa amin. Para ng 6:30 or 7 p.m. Kapitbahay namin, may ano pa sila, may mga Christmas lights pa. Yan, gosh, napakalamig talaga as in yun. I think yung temperature namin now is 13 degrees, something like that. So, ayan guys, yung labas namin. Madilim na siya. Ngit-ngit na. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan siya. Start ako. Because I'm very cold now. Ayan guys. So, I think magka-snow kami next week. Malamig na talaga as in. My goodness. And guys. So let's go back, Taco. Come on. Let's go back. Come on. You need to go poop? Okay. Hurry up. No, come here. Ay nako guys, ito ang life sa Minnesota. Parang ano na. Maganda ang snow pero hindi yung palaging magsusnow. Kasi hindi na makayanin sa katawan natin. Yan. So I'm gonna end my video here guys kasi lumalamig na yung kamay ko. Alright, thank you for watching guys.